Hi, I'm John Napolitano, CEO of U.S. Wealth Management. We're here on the floor of the New England Food Show. We now have a Java man in the house. This is Paul Miller, Director of Sales for New England Coffee. How you doing, Paul?
Good morning, John. Good to be here.
Thank you, man. It's good to have you. So, 100 years in the business, over 25 years at the New England Food Show. Tell me, what are you getting out of this thing that keeps you back for 25 plus years?
Well, you know, John, we have over 4,000 customers up and down the streets of New England, and a lot of them are here today, so it's a great opportunity for us to interact with our customers, to spend some time with them, and hopefully we get a few leads as well.
Well, you also gave me my breakfast joe this morning.
Hope you enjoyed it. We have a Centennial roast that we're using here, celebrating 100 years in business. So we're the oldest roaster in New England, one of the oldest in the country, and yeah, we've been brewing here in Boston for a long time.
Tell me, what are some of the things you want to educate food professionals on about coffee?
Well, you know, you think about it, there's so much that goes into the preparation of all of these wonderful meals that restaurateurs serve, but that last experience is a cup of coffee, so you want it to be a good one.
Interesting. Well, if you want a good cup of coffee, you could be at the New England Food Show, but you're not. We're here. You can call Paul Miller and just look for those cool New England coffee labels. You'll find them everywhere. Thanks, Paul.
Thank you.